Hey there, welcome to Upswyng, a digital directory of social service listings for the homeless and at-risk population. So this is the default screen of Upswyng that is a starting view that shows a simple list of service providers in Boulder. As you can see, each listing has a name of the listing followed by the category of the listing, the eligible population, contact information, followed by the schedule of hours and the distance from the user's current location. On the right are two icons. The flag icon is to contact the provider and a like button to provide kudos. So the list view shows a simple list of service providers. They're sorted from nearest to farthest from your current location, and you can scroll through them. Clicking on a listing reveals their profile page that has a simple description of their services, some critical information like contact information, social media, and also their address. The application calculates the directions using public transit from your current location to the provider's location, and you can engage the map interactively. It also has a schedule of hours on the listing page. The map view, you can get to it by clicking on the menu and switching to map view, which shows an overview map of all provider listings in the area. You can zoom in. Here we're zooming in into Boulder. The red icons means the location is closed. The green ones mean that they are open. And you can filter these listings by open or closed. So now we're just filtering for ones that are currently open in the Boulder area. Clicking on a listing reveals their name and their description, and you can click on their profile page. So the main screens like the list view and the map view have these quick access icons that you can click to quickly filter from food through shelter. Here's health providers. Here's providers based on resources like transit-based providers, assistance, general assistance, hygiene, and providers with clothes. There's also employment and education-based providers. These categories can be changed, but they essentially allow for quick access. Users can also filter by eligibility to make sure that they're filtering a provider based on special needs. So here's a listing of providers that cater to seniors, to disabled people, to the LGBT population, and you can reset the filter to all to show all listings. You can also manage your favorites by clicking on a listing and going to its profile page, and then on the top right, toggling the star icon, you can add it or remove it to your favorites. And you can access the favorites through the main menu, which you access on the main screen, and click on My Favorites, which takes you to your favorites menu where you can manage a list of favorite providers. Contacting a service provider is possible as well. Clicking the flag icon reveals a form which asks you for some basic information like your name, your email, contact information. You can also attach your current location and add media like a photograph. Thanks for visiting Upswyng. This is a project from Code for Boulder.